Dear students, hearty welcome to today's class. In the last two classes, we have learned about the task and working of various internal hardware components. In today's class, we learn about the various ports of computer. If you see the back panel of the CPU cabinet, we can see a number of ports. What are these ports? What are they used for? A computer port is a slot on the motherboard that acts as a point of connection between a computer and an external device. So these ports are used for connecting the various external devices to the computer. External devices like keyboard, mouse, printer, monitor, etc. are plugged into these ports to attach them to the computer. So to attach various external devices to the computer, these ports are used. So each of these ports are different. So today we will be discussing about the use of different types of ports. So first we will be learning about the serial port. You can see the picture of serial port here. It transmits one bit of data at a time over a single wire. It is used for devices that do not require high-speed transmission. So serial port is used where high-speed transmission is not required. It is used to connect modems and hence called communication port. So another name of serial port is communication port. Here we see a mouse with serial port cable to be connected to the serial port of the computer. Next, we learn about parallel port. What is a parallel port? Parallel port is used for devices that require high-speed data transmission, such as printers. So parallel port is used when high-speed data transmission is required, like a printer. It is also used for connecting scanners, CD writers, external hard disk drives, etc. So parallel port is used for connecting printers, scanners, CD writers, external hard disk drives, etc. The picture here shows a parallel port. And these are the cables used for connecting the device like printer or scanner to the parallel port. Students, do you know what type of port is this? Yes, they are called PS2 ports. PS2 connector was developed by IBM in the year 1987. It was used for attaching, as you know, keyboard and mouse. So PS2 port was used for connecting keyboard and mouse. The green port is used for connecting mouse and the blue port is used for connecting keyboard. Nowadays, PS2 port has been replaced by USB port. Here we see the connecting cable for connecting to the PS2 port. Blue one for keyboard and the green one for mouse. I am sure all of you know what type of port is this. Yes, it is USB port. It's the common port that we see everywhere. USB port is used for transferring data and can also be used for supplying power for devices connected to it. USB port is used to transfer data and can also act as power supply for devices connected to it. Devices that can be connected to a USB port include keyboard, mouse, printers, flash drive means pen drives, phones, tablets, digital and web camera. So all of these devices can be connected to the USB port by using a USB cable. And then we discuss about VGA port. VGA port. What is the full form of VGA? VGA stands for Video Graphics Array. VGA stands for Video Graphics Array. It is used for connecting monitors or projectors to a computer. So what is the use of VGA port? The VGA port is used for connecting monitors or projectors to the computer. But with the increased use of digital video, VGA ports are now replaced by HDMI ports. Here we see the connector, the VGA cable for connecting a monitor or projector to the computer. So this is the VGA cable for connecting a monitor or a projector to the computer. The picture here shows an HDMI port. What is an HDMI port? As the name suggests, HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface. HDMI stands for High Definition Multimedia Interface. It is a digital connector that can carry high definition video and audio. It can also send audio to different formats. So an HDMI port can carry high definition video and audio. It is used to connect high definition and ultra high definition devices like computer monitors, HD TVs, gaming consoles, high definition cameras, etc. So an HDMI port is used for connecting high definition and ultra high definition devices like computer monitors, HD TVs, gaming consoles, high definition cameras, etc. The picture here shows an HDMI cable. This HDMI cable is used for connecting to the HDMI port. Students, can you recognize this port? Do you know what is this port? Yes, it is called FireWire port. What is it? FireWire port. It is also known as IEEE 1394. It was developed by Apple company in the year 1994. It can transfer large amount of data with speed up to 800 megabits per second and can connect up to 63 different devices. This port is used to connect camcorders and video equipment to the computer. So FireWire port is mainly used for connecting camcorders and video equipment to the computer. And next we discuss about Ethernet port. What is the port? Ethernet port. The Ethernet port, as you know, it looks like a telephone connector. The Ethernet port looks like a telephone connector. What is this port used for? It is used for connecting your computer to a wired network. For connecting your computer to a wired network, the Ethernet port is used. Here you can see the Ethernet cable for connecting to the port. So the Ethernet port is used for connecting your computer to a network. Students, and finally we learn about different audio ports on the back panel of the CPU cabin. There are different audio ports. The first one, the blue one, is line-in port. What is it used for? It is used to connect an external audio device to the computer. And the next one, the green one, it is used for line out port. What is it used for? It allows for connecting external speakers or headphones to the computer. So the line out port is used for connecting speakers or headphones to the computer. And the third one, the pink colored one, is mic port. What is it used for? Yes, the mic port is used for plugging a microphone to the computer. The mic port is used for recording a microphone to the computer for recording purpose. So these are various audio ports in the computer. All of you must be able to identify the different ports and their usages. I think you follow the class. We bind up today's class. Thank you.